Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you for sparing some of your precious time to participate in today's learning. As for today, we will be learning about adjective. First of all, what we need to understand on today's topic is what is adjective and what is it used for? Adjectives are words used to describe nouns. It is used to tell us more about the nouns they refer to. Here are some examples of adjectives for person. Example, mother. Adjectives that could be related to mother are slim, fat, tall, short, lovely, fierce, caring, beautiful, happy, cheerful, and many more. Another example of adjective to describe things or objects such as lorry. We could use this word as adjective to describe lorry. Huge, fast, dangerous, dirty, dusty, black, and so on. As guidance, you may describe noun based on size. For example, big, small, gigantic, tiny, tall, short. And as for shape, you can describe it as straight, curved, wide, narrow, crooked, flat. For color, you may use adjectives such as bright, dark, blue, pink, gray, dull. And condition, you may describe it as healthy, easy, tough, crazy, curious, gorgeous, handsome, and many more. You may refer from the list shared on the next page for more examples of adjective which could help you understand it more. Remember, use dictionary, either digital or printed version, to assist you to understand the meaning of those words. Here are some examples of adjective in sentences. The word underlined are noun, and as for the highlight word are adjective. As it has been mentioned before this, adjective used to describe the referred noun. Example number 1. Chair is the noun, and heavy is the word describing the condition of the chair, known as adjective. We go to example number 2. Suraya and hair are nouns. Yet, we have to identify which noun that has been described in this example. The adjectives are long, brunette, and curly. It shows that long, brunette, and curly are referring to Suraya's hair. Quiz time! Try to solve the quiz below. I know you can do it. Give it a shot. You may refer to your Practice Pro Year 6 Grammar book, page 27. I shall explain to you based on the color indicator. For pink point, it is a sample of adjective used to describe person, animal, or object. Example, Rajan is strong. The mango is sweet. For the next blue point, to compare two person or two animal or two objects which are similar or equal using as, adjective, as. The keyword is similar or equal. Example, Rajan is as strong as his brother. Rajan are equally strong with his brother. The mango is as sweet as that one. meaning they are comparing the mango with another mango, which is sweet as equal. As for the comparative in orange point, the comparative is used to compare two persons, two animals, or two objects which are not similar or equal using adjective plus with er plus with the word than. Example, Rajan is stronger than his father. Stronger than his father. The mango is sweeter than the apple. Sweeter than the apple. The final point in green is superlative. The superlative is used to compare three or more person, or more animal, or more object and things that are not similar or equal using the plus adjective plus est. I will show you the example. Rajan is the strongest among his friends. The strongest. The mango is the sweetest in the box. Mango, compared with all mango in the box, is the sweetest in the box. Get it? Let's take a look at the yellow arrow. This is the example of comparison of adjective with one syllable. For example, I will read example in the box. Small, one syllable. Comparative will be smaller. Superlative will be smallest. Another example, rich, one syllable. Comparative will be richer and superlative will be richest. Next we'll be referring to the green arrow. It is for comparison of adjective with two or more syllables. The words more and most are used. Remember, two or more syllables. For example, I will get example from the box here. Hard working, hard working. So for comparative, it cannot be hard workingler. No, it must be more hardworking. More hardworking. And for superlative, it will become the most hardworking. The most hardworking. Another example, complicated. Complicated. It's supposed to be two or more syllables. Complicated. So for comparative, add the word more in front of the word. It will be more complicated. More complicated. And as for superlative, add the word the most in front of the complicated. And it will become the most complicated. As for the pitch arrow, it is irregular adjective. Example will be good, better, best. First sentence, I feel better today, meaning you're in great condition. Example, Mark is the best footballer in the university. So Mark is the best footballer in the whole university. Another example will be little, less, least. Sentence, I sleep less than my father, comparing both, two persons. And as for the superlative, it will become, it was the least I could do. It was the least I could do, meaning The most little thing that you could do. The last option. Dear students, there are some assignment or exercise for you to do on this topic learned. Here is the book. As you can see, I will show you it here. Practice Pro Year 6 Grammar Book. It's a different cover, but you have the latest version. Use that one, the same title. Alright? Using Practice Pro Grammar Year 6 book, page 29 and 30, complete. Practice 1, Practice 2, on page 29, followed by page 30, Practice 3, and Practice 4. The answer will be discussed during online classroom. Thank you for staying until the end of the lesson. I'm truly appreciated, and I do hope that all of you will be able to do the assignment given easily. See you in our online classroom on 22nd June 2020 on Monday. All the best to all my dear students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you then.